Hello folks, welcome back to my channel Salesforce Treasures. To this playlist as well, which has become an Agent Blazer Champion 2026. So in today's video, we are going to focus on Agentforce for Sales Quick Look, which is a small badge which we have to complete the quiz for. Again, I'll just click on it and we'll just complete the subunit which is called as Discover Agentforce for Sales and navigate myself to the quiz section. Agentforce SDR agent is grounded in what three components? Companies, sales, feedbacks, leads. I don't think so. This is the correct option. Companies, product, sales. No. Company, sales, product, and customer data. Correct. Agentforce Sales Coach provides which of these to a sales team? Generalized feedback of the entire no. Deal specific personalized feedbacks to sales rep. Yes. I think these two would be the correct option which I've selected, and yes, we have successfully completed the Agentforce for Sales Quick Look badge as well. And in the next video, we will be taking up the further future badge which is called as Agentforce for on Salesforce mobile app Quick Look. Until then, bye bye and take care.